What is going on, guys? Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about the POCO M4 Pro 5G. POCO is back with the M4 Pro 5G and we got our hands on a unit. More specifically, Jamie got his hands on the unit. That's why he's the one doing the B-roll. So what's up with the POCO M4 Pro 5G and what are its best features? Let's find out. But of course, we are Unbox PH after all, so let's do a quick unboxing. For the packaging, we have a standard yellow box with all the branding we usually get. Aside from the phone, it comes with the documentation which you should never throw away, POCO stickers, jelly case, SIM ejector pin, 33-watt fast charger, and a USB-C cable. Now let's jump right into best feature number 1, the cameras. You get a 50-megapixel f1.8 main camera and an 8-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide. Don't be fooled by what it looks. We only have 2 cameras here, so no stat stuffers that add no value except for the price. I'm really happy with this. While on the front, we have a 16-megapixel f2.45 selfie camera. These are great tools for content creation. You can really get nice images as long as you're playing with the usual lighting and well-lit scenarios. Colors look easy on the eyes and are not oversaturated like some other smartphones. You should note though that it does have a bit of a harder time with more challenging lighting scenarios. But as long as you know the quirks of the cameras, you should be fine. It just takes some practice. I mean, I do believe that making a more versatile POCO phone was the goal, and I think upping the cameras may have done the trick. As for video, things max out at 1080 60 FPS. Pretty standard stuff for a smartphone, but if you do want to shoot content with this, you can. And if you shoot in 30 FPS, you even get EIS on both rear cameras, so stability worked pretty well. If you want to get a more cinematic look, you can even add a letterbox. But as you can see in the video we shot at 10 AM in broad daylight, it looks a bit muddy. Still usable, but it could be better. All these issues seem to be software related, so we're hoping for an update from POCO that could fix these issues. Now powering the phone is best feature number 2, the chipset. We have a MediaTek Dimensity 810, and that's a flagship level 6nm process that should give us great performance on top of power efficiency. For our model, it was paired with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage for quick writing speeds. It does run MIUI 12.5.1 well, but we wish it had less bloatware. At the time of recording this, we don't know what other variants are available, so stay tuned for more announcements. A lot of people get POCO phones for gaming and the company knows it. So of course they're arming their latest offering with the necessary specs to ensure a great gaming experience while keeping the phone affordable for anyone who wants one. We played Pokemon Unite on high settings and it ran smoothly at above 55 FPS average. And of course, when it comes to phone cameras, post-processing is super important. So the chipset does help bolster the phone's cameras. Plus, it might be one of the cheapest phones to support dual 5G. That means little to no lag while gaming and you can watch your favorite shows while on the go thanks to the fast 5G connection regardless of which slot you're using. So yeah, these 2 big features make the phone a good buy, but there's more to talk about, so let's carry on. Now we're gonna double back a bit and look at that signature design. It's probably one of the more recognizable back panels out there and we got ours in Power Black, but there are options for Cool Blue and of course, POCO Yellow. It's made of plastic, but it is matted out so it doesn't attract much fingerprints. And of course, we do have an included case to help with protection just in case you want to use it. We also have a redesigned fingerprint sensor seamlessly integrated into the power button. It's pretty accurate, and it joins the volume rocker on the right side. While the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, and half its dual speakers can be found below. And to cap off this portion, here's an audio sample, but again, we're using a mic so it's not exactly accurate. But in our opinion, the dual speakers can be a bit tinny, so keep the volume below 60%. Or of course, you can use your favorite earphones or headphones. Next up is the 6.6-inch Full HD Plus dot display. It's an IPS panel and you'll be getting sharp images and have a good time watching your favorite shows on Netflix on Full HD because it does have Widevine L1 certification. The display also sports a 90Hz refresh rate for some smooth navigation. 90Hz is a good battery efficient upgrade from 60Hz, Plus, you have dynamic switch, which adjusts the refresh rate depending on what you're doing. And of course, games will be a treat thanks to the 240Hz touch sampling rate for some extra responsive gaming. And bonus, Jamie said it has some good haptics, and we do super appreciate that. Finally, keeping the phone alive is a big 5000 mAh battery, which means you can play games all day or take a ton of photos and videos. Charging that is 33-watt Pro fast charging. And for a quick test, we charged it for 30 minutes, and it got from 35% to 65%. Not bad. And you'll have to wait for the full review to know the numbers behind the performance and the battery stats, but we do have high hopes for this one. There you have it, our look at the POCO M4 Pro 5G. The POCO line is a crowd favorite when it comes to gaming, and they're forging on with this path. But this time, they're adding more useful features to the arsenal like better cameras and dual 5G connectivity. All of which make this new POCO phone a strong and affordable all-rounder, and I think it's a great option if you're looking for an upgrade or even a gift for someone this holiday season. As of the recording of this video, we don't know the official price yet, but we'll leave that info as a pinned comment or in the description when it's out. You guys can check out more tech reviews on unbox.ph. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because we need 250k subs. We're giving away a smartphone. And yeah, don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.